Every SOL transfer is just two numbers changing. One account goes down, another goes up. No tokens, no smart contracts, just LAMP ports moving between accounts. Here's how it actually works. A SOL transfer is a single instruction sent to the system program. The system program is Solana's built-in program that handles basic account operations. It debits LAMP ports from the sender and credits them to the receiver. Both accounts update in the same transaction, atomically. If either fails, neither changes. Let's trace the flow. Your wallet signs the transaction. The runtime routes the transfer instruction to the system program. The system program checks. Does the signer match the source account? Is there enough balance? If both pass, it subtracts LAMP ports from the sender and adds them to the receiver. Then the network charges a base fee of 5,000 LAMP ports, about 0.000005 SOL. Here's the part most people miss. The fee doesn't come from the transfer amount. It's charged separately to the fee payer. So if you send exactly 1 SOL, the receiver gets exactly 1 SOL. The sender loses 1 SOL plus the fee. So one more thing. If the receiver account doesn't exist yet, the system program creates it automatically. No setup required. Any valid address can receive SOL, even if it's never been used before. Now, let's look at the TypeScript code. We start with the imports from Solana Kit. Create transaction message builds the transaction. Sign transaction message with signers handles signing. Send and confirm transaction factory submits and confirms. From the system program, we import get transfer SOL instruction. We create an RPC connection and generate 2 key pairs, the sender and the receiver. We airdrop 1 SOL to fund the sender. Next, we get the latest block hash and create the transfer instruction. 0.01 SOL equals 10 million LAMP ports. Get transfer SOL instruction takes the source, destination, and amount. Now we build the transaction using pipe. We set the fee payer, attach the block hash for lifetime, append the transfer instruction, sign it, and send it. The factory confirms the transaction on-chain. Finally, we check both balances. The sender has about 0.99 SOL. The receiver has 0.01 SOL. The small difference is the transaction fee. That's SOL transfers. 2 balances, 1 instruction, atomic update. Next, we'll look at how programs derive their own addresses with PDAs.